Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see an unboxing. So let's get started. So in today's video I'm going to unbox some makeup kit and a watch and a straw. So first we will be unboxing the straws. So let's get started. So these are my new straws, a cute little unicorn. So I got 2 straws and a straw cleaner. So our next one we'll be seeing is this makeup kit. So let's get into it. Guys, so this is my makeup kit. So in this I have a rack of eyeshadows, so lipsticks and mascaras and each and everything they gave me in this makeup kit. So I really hope you like this. So next one we'll be going into the watch. I didn't inform you we have another one blush in this one, so sorry for that. It's our watch. So this is my new watch, and this is a brand named Fast Track, and I like this watch very much, guys. Today's video we unboxed 2 unicorn straws and a Fast Track watch and beautiful makeup kit. So I really hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.